In this video, we go over the reasons why the price of Bitcoin might soar above $80,000 in the near future, possibly as early as tomorrow. Political actions, significant investments, and important advancements in crypto legislation are paving the way for a sharp price spike. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency equities are experiencing amazing gains as a result of stalled funds flooding the market and recent election results lowering investor fear. We examine how this momentum is being driven by two main drivers. First, stocks like Coinbase and Robinhood have increased as a result of Donald Trump's pro-crypto policies, particularly his intentions to replace SEC Chair Gary Gensler with a more pro-crypto individual. In order to boost the economy and support the infrastructure needed for Bitcoin mining, Trump has also suggested creating a national Bitcoin reserve, which has drawn a lot of interest from investors. Bitcoin may soon reach $80,000, and there may be some exciting developments ahead. This movie examines the factors influencing the price of Bitcoin as well as the possible effects of a national crypto reserve that political leaders have suggested. With the backing of influential people like Donald Trump, who is now pro-Bitcoin and wants to integrate it into the American financial system, Bitcoin is expected to soar as more capital pours into the cryptocurrency space. The market may change as a result of Trump's major pledges, such as promoting Bitcoin mining and replacing SEC Chair Gary Gensler with someone more crypto-friendly. Additionally, we talk about how a new Bitcoin reserve will store Bitcoin seized from criminal cases rather than selling it, which would lower the supply and perhaps drive up prices. Additionally, well-known cryptocurrency brands like Coinbase, the United States may be at the forefront of crypto acceptance, with other nations likely to follow. Watch to find out why cryptocurrency could change the game in the future and why Bitcoin might soar. Remember to download the Fold app so you can earn Bitcoin rewards for everyday purchases. We also discuss the potential global adoption of Bitcoin as a national asset, with other nations probably following suit. Additionally, we provide a way for using the Fold app to receive Bitcoin incentives for everyday purchases. Now is a wonderful moment to invest because Bitcoin is predicted to climb with strong business and government support. Stay ahead of the crypto game by tuning in to receive all the details. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you get a better understanding of what cryptocurrency is all about. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with friends who might be curious about crypto too. Leave us a comment if you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future. See you in the next video.